Marcus is doing so well, so he shows her a scar on his leg that he got during a serious hiking accident, saying the body will always push through when it needs to survive. Afterward, Claire goes to Burke's office and looks at the brain scans before checking her patient file. She discovers notes that talk about the destructive behavior and despair in her life, which made her a perfect candidate for high-risk trials. Later, Claire finds Vanessa using fire to stay awake, saying she refuses to give up. In the bathroom, Marcus is whistling and hears someone whistle back, although he's supposed to be alone. Then he turns on the tap, only to discover the water doesn't make noise when it falls. It isn't until he turns it off that he finally hears the delayed noise. When he knocks on the mirror, the same happens. The sound arrives a few seconds later. Scared, Marcus leaves the bathroom and hears the whistling in the corridors. He starts wandering around yet doesn't see a single person, and when he makes it to the front hall, he's shocked to see the door opening. Marcus goes through the door and into a deep darkness, and a moment later the others find him dead on the floor because the hallucination made him fall asleep. There are still 15 hours to go, so everyone worries. Claire feels dizzy and has a vision of Allison waking up, so she walks away from the group rather clumsily. She makes it to the kitchen and after seeing a mouse staring at her, she uses fire to reanimate her body. The resulting burn scar is awful, but Claire feels awake and alert now. After bandaging her hand, she finds the others and yells at them, announcing she's tired of waiting and that she'll find a way out. The group makes a map of the facility to learn what wall they need to break to get out. Amir tells them it won't work because facilities like this one are built with tight security, but the others ignore him and start hitting the wall with an axe. By taking turns, they manage to work quite fast and eventually the hole is big enough to find the end. Unfortunately, Amir was right, the wall is protected by metal as thick as the door. While Claire goes looking for Amir to ask for more ideas, Ray starts to wonder how Amir knew about the metal wall and concludes he must be secretly working for the company. When Claire finds Amir, he gives her a letter with a confession while hallucinating Burke's dead face. It turns out it was his copying the files that triggered the lockdown, and now he feels so guilty that he decides to fall asleep. Claire immediately stops him and keeps throwing